Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you here at Mirage Casino Hotel. Let's take a look inside this room. Here at the main entrance, you have the mirror to your left, bathroom and closet is your right hand side. The dresser also on the right hand side. We'll start off in the bathroom area. So you got a mirror with the lighting, toilet in front of you, trash can, a lovely picture, and here in the shower. Just bathtub and shower head on top, with your shampoo, conditioner. Turn on the water, just turn it counterclockwise. Lift up the handle for the shower. And around. You have your towels, hand towels hanging, body towels folded. And closer view. Yeah, tissue, 2 cups, hand soap. And more soap, shampoo, body wash. Spare toilet paper on the bottom left. Now we're gonna take a peek in the closet. Just opening up the closet door. You have your hangers, iron board, the safe to your left hand side. Some shelf space on top. Heading to the main area. This is a double queen bedroom. Each bed with a light on top of the bed frame. You have snacks and water to purchase. You're supposed to be able to buy beverages in here, but for some reason the door was stuck or locked. You have an ice chest, some extra dresser space if you have clothes. A desk space for working or if you want to eat. A view of another dresser. In case you want to hang your clothes. Fold your clothes, sorry. Here you have HDMI for the TV, plug in. Also some plugs to charge your phones, computer. And here's a thermostat, simple to use, up for, of course, warmer, lower for colder. Turn it on and off. And control the fan speed, auto, high, low. An overview of the room again. And that pretty much concludes the tour. Hope you enjoy. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And until next time.